Greetings, adventurers. We are here this morning at Father Hennepin State Park, and we're going to be hiking the trails. Join me. So, we are here. There's pretty much only one trail here. We're going to go all the way around. It's about 2.5 miles. We're also going to be doing this out to Pope Point. Checking that out. It is about 28 degrees today. It is snowing. What is going on? I thought spring was here. Well, it's snowing. We got like an ice storm last night. A bunch of freezing rain, and now it's snowing. So cold, snowy, overcast day. We have reached gigantic campground picnic area. So Father Hennepin State Park here is named after Louis Hennepin, a French explorer who wrote about this place in 1680. So the state park is located in central Minnesota, right off a very large feature called Lake Mille Lacs. I'm actually really surprised there's this much ice still on it. Just the other day it was like 70 degrees. Surprised there's a few open spots. I'm definitely not going to be walking out there. Awesome. Sure is windy today too. Alright, let's get back on the trail. It is kind of cool that I'm still in the campground area. There's campsites right here, right up on the other side of the path from the lake. It's pretty nice. They're the low numbers. It's the low numbers. This is 4, 5, 6, 7. They actually look like pretty small sites, but they're not electrical. Not really much room. Pretty crammed up and next to each other. approaching the end of the peninsula here, and man, the wind is just pounding me. And these little ice crystals hitting me. Oh. Woo! Alright, here we are at Pope Point. It's the overlook of the lake. Apparently it says there's Boulder Islands out there, but its visibility is too low. Maybe one of those islands is the island they're talking about. So apparently the common tern, its habitat has been reduced to pretty much only a couple of islands out here in the lake is the only place they nest in Minnesota. And they are listed as a threatened species. So Pope Point was at the end of a out and back spur trail. So we went out there, came back. Now we're going to continue along the loop. We're heading away from the lake now, so hopefully that'll keep the wind down a little bit. It sure is now. Calming down a little bit. Snow's still coming down. Alright folks, I'm back here at the car. So first of all, I'm not sure why, but the road is gated off, so I had to walk down the road a tenth of a mile or something, not much, but yeah, this is a nice quiet place. I'm not sure in the summer, I bet you the campground's full and it's probably a lot more crowded, but yeah, those trails were nice quiet loop around. There's not a lot of trails. Like I said, I think this was 2.5 miles, but the trail was wide, easy to follow. They had maps all over the place, markings, everything. You know, I mean, as a state park, most state parks have pretty well maintained and marked trails. Love to come here sometime in the summertime. That whole section in front of the lake there is supposed to be along a sandy beach. It was all ice for me, but I have to come back and check that out again. I was expecting it to be a little cold and snowy, maybe rainy, but I wasn't expecting all that wind. That wind was just pounding on my face. Anyway, that does it for another episode of Happy Trail Backpacking. Thank y'all for coming with me, and I'll see you next week right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.